Hi students, welcome to online class. In this video, we are going to discuss about chapter 18, Tamil computing. So now this is the last topic in this lesson, in this chapter. So Tamil operating system. So we are going to discuss about Tamil operating system. So an operating system, you know very well, without operating system we cannot work with the computer. So an operating system is needed to access the electronic systems, whether it may be a smartphone or it may be a computer. So without OS, we cannot operate the system. We cannot operate with the machine. We cannot operate with the device. We can say like that. So we know very well that Microsoft Windows is a very popular operating system which was used for personal computers. Is it right or not? So everybody, we are working with Microsoft Windows only, whether it is Windows 7 or Windows 8.1 or Windows 10, right? Not only Microsoft Windows, so Linux is also one of the another popular operating system. And then another key point is that is an open source operating system. That is an open source operating system. And then the operating systems are used to access a computer easily. So for that purpose only we are using the operating system. So we are able to operate the computer in a easier manner with the help of operating system. Right. Now we are going to see that operating system and its work, how its environment. That is, we know all those things we have studied in the previous chapters. In the chapter 4, and then chapter 5 we discussed about the operating system, and then we have gone through the Windows operating system. So an operating system should be easy to work. So what is the main thing? Whenever we are working with any operating system, it should be user friendly. It should be easy to work, and its environment should be in an understandable form. It should not be a tedious one. It should be an understandable one. So thus all operating systems used in computers and smartphones are offered in Tamil environment also. So the operating system is providing you the Tamil environment. That is, we are able to access in Tamil language also, because those who are not in well to do in English or any other language, they can go with their own mother tongue. So our mother tongue is Tamil. So the operating systems are used in computers and smartphones. They are offering in Tamil environment also, right? Then Windows Tamil environment interface. This should be downloaded and then it should be installed from the internet. Windows Tamil environment interface. With the help of this software only we are able to work with the computer and smartphone, so that it displays all the Windows elements. It displays all the Windows elements such as the taskbar or desktop elements, name of the icons, and then commands, menu bars, toolbars, icons. Everything will be displayed in Tamil language. Can you understand, students? Windows Tamil environment interface. And then this is going to be the last topic, that is organizations and projects to develop in Tamil. So what are all the organizations which are involved in Tamil language to develop the Tamil language, and then what are all the projects which is going on. So using those projects we are able to develop the Tamil language in the technology, that is in science and technology. They are developing the Tamil language, how it is in a developmental stage or how it is developed. Let us see. So there are four things we are going to see. One is Tamil Virtual Academy, and then Tamil Language Council Singapore, and then Madurai project, and then last one is Wikipedia. So first one is Tamil Virtual Academy. So what is Tamil Virtual Academy? When it was formed, when it was developed, when it was created? See, with the objectives of spreading Tamil, to the entire world through the internet. So with the help of internet we are able to spread the Tamil language. So for that they have created a university. Tamil Virtual University was established on 17th February 2001 by the government of Tamil Nadu. So it was established on 17th February, Tamil Virtual University. Now this organization name has been changed as Tamil Virtual Academy. So through this they are spreading the Tamil language to the entire world through the internet. So what it provides, what are all the things which are inside in that? So it offers different courses. It offers different courses in Tamil language, and then culture, Tamil culture, and then heritage from kindergarten to undergraduation level. So there also we have different stages from the kindergarten to undergraduation level. The different courses are available in Tamil language, so we can learn through the internet. So from anywhere in the world we are able to learn those things. So the website is given here. So I shall click the link, and then now it is asking me to allow. So if I go for allow, you can see now the internet is connected. So this particular virtual academy is able to provide different courses. Through these courses we can learn many things about the language Tamil, so we can know our culture. So from anywhere in the world we are able to do. So here you can see, here it is given Tamil Inaya Kalvi Kalagam. So Tamil Virtual Academy. So there is a library is there, and then we are able to go for academic programs. So here you can see all the menus are displayed in Tamil. So Kalvi Tittangal, Noolagam, Kanitha Tamil. So there are research labs are also there. So what are all the things you can learn? You can learn about Tamil language. So from this place, from this website, we are able to learn about Tamil language. So in a technological manner, right? So next, Tamil Language Council. So it is in Singapore. So this particular this organization was created by the Singaporeans. So with the objectives of promoting the awareness and greater use of Tamil. So they want to create the awareness of Tamil, and then they used to promote the Tamil language among the Singapore peoples. So that's why they have given Singaporeans. So among the Singapore people in 2001, this council was created, the Council of Tamil Language. The Council of Tamil Language was formed by the Ministry of Information, Communications and Arts. So the ministry has developed Information, Communications and Arts, which is the government of Singapore. So it is one of the ministry. So they developed the Tamil Language Council, and through that they are trying to develop the Tamil language, right? So the council is called as, the name of the council is called as Tamil Language Council. You can see the logo. So Valar Tamil Iyakkam. So you can see the logo Valar Tamil Iyakkam. So Tamil Language Council. So through that they tried to develop Tamil. Not only they are developing the Tamil. So they tried to give the awareness, and then what is Tamil language, how it is used, what are all the things which are just given in that particular language. So everybody want to learn about these things. So like that they developed Tamil Language Council. So it was developed in Singapore. And then we can come to the Project Madurai. So Project Madurai is an open and voluntary initiative. So it is an open and then voluntary initiative. So what they have developed is they try to publish free electronic editions of ancient Tamil literary classics. So Tamil e-books are available. So many of them they collected, and then they try to publish through this Project Madurai. So all the books and all the Tamil literary works, ancient Tamil literary works comes under in a free manner. So we are able to study all those things in an electronic edition, so digitized manner. So we can also send, either by typing in, the content can be typed in, or else you can scan the old books, and then archiving the text is one of the most readily accessible formats. So we are able to scan, and then we are able to type the content, and then we can send uh, our own content, right? So that everybody can access those files from anywhere in the world. So it was launched in the year 1998. So Project Madurai e-text, actually Project Madurai means electronic text. So electronic text released are in Tamil script form. So it is in Tamil script form as per TSCII coding, that is Tamil script code for information interchange. So since 2004 we have started releasing e-text in Tamil Unicode as well. So in this Project Madurai we are able to access the text, e-text, electronic text. So here you can see the website link is clicked. So Project Madurai. So if I want to display in Tamil, so in Unicode Tamil, if I click on Unicode Tamil, you can see the contents. So all the contents are displayed in Tamil language. Can you understand, students? All the contents are displayed in Tamil language. So you can see list of works. What are all the works which are available in this? So here you can see Aathithudi, and then Tirukkural. So here you can see Thiruvasagam 1, Thiruvasagam 2. So many works are here. So complete list of Project Madurai works. So there are many lists, you can see many books are available as PDF. You can see the content, you can download the content as PDF, as well as you can view the content in HTML, that is a web page. You can see the content in web page also, right? So Project Madurai, and then at last we come to the Tamil Wikipedia. So everybody know about Tamil Wikipedia. So Tamil Wikipedia is an open source encyclopedia. Wikipedia is an open source encyclopedia. So where any person can write an article about any subject. So we are able to write any article, an article about any subject, whatever the subject it may be. So there are more than 1 lakh articles are available in Tamil Wikipedia. So we can write our own Tamil content, and then we can publish it. So in order to make Tamil as a living language, it is our duty of every Tamilan to actively use Tamil in the development of technology. So Tamil is a living language. So already we discussed about Tamil. So it is our life. It is our another sense. So as we are Tamilan, we want to actively participate, and then we should use the Tamil language, and then we want to promote, and we want to develop the Tamil language in the development of the technology. So we proud to be Tamilan, and then we should initially we should actively participate, and then we should promote the Tamil language. We should develop the Tamil language in the science and technology. I think you might have understood this video. So let's end the class. So thank you, students.